Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here or just stopping by, hello, my name is Jennifer. I'd love it if you stuck around and subscribed. Today, I don't really feel like talking and giving like specific details on what I am doing, so I just wanted to stop on here and say, hey, thank you for watching. I hope you like it, and I'm just gonna put on some music. I'm watching a vlog on my iPad beside me, and we're just gonna get ready. We're just gonna fix my face because it don't look too hot so far. So I hope you like the video, and let's get into it. trying not to move my face a ton. So this is it for the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I kind of really like how this came out. It's very simple, understated, like purpley, pinky purpley brown eye look. I think it turned out really cool. My eyebrows, on the other hand, are a whole nother story. The palette I used was the Jeffree Star Controversy palette with Dawson. I went in with Exposed, which I've never used that shade. It actually turned out really pretty, and Diet Root Beer, and then I put My Boyfriend's Purse as my highlight, and I really like how this turned out. I do really want to fuck with My Apology. It's like this burgundy red shade. Physicians Formula Ultra Black Eye Booster eyeliner, and I ended up actually going in with 3 different mascaras so that I wouldn't have to do false lashes. Maybelline Lash Sensational, like always, and there is an insane amount of shit on it right now. Whatever. L'Oreal Lash Paradise, and then I also put on a coat or 2 of CoverGirl Exhibitionist. And then for lips today, I'm just wearing the Wet n Wild, what is this even called? Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit in Give Me Mocha, which I'm living for it. And I finally ran out of my Morphe setting sprays, so I'm back to my OG drugstore favorite. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Makeup Extender, setting spray. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm trying to switch it up. If you keep up with my vlogs, then you know James, my fiance, is leaving later this week. He's gonna be gone for 3 weeks for business, for work. I'm trying to get as many videos as I can filmed before he leaves, just so it's easier. It is way easier for me to film when James is home with Ellie, and now we have a puppy who you guys are going to be meeting very, very soon, and I'm very, very excited for you guys to meet her. But I'm trying to film as much as I can. I'm trying to switch it up to where it's not just all sped up with music or a talk through. And also, I'm really trying to work on my background. I definitely need something, God bless it, I need something to put right here on my wall. I was gonna put my skull plaque that is the same size as this one, but I feel like it would look weird. I don't know. How are we feeling? Let me know down below in the comments. You can give me a thumbs up if you really want to. It really, really helps me out. You can also subscribe to my channel to, you know, get us 1 subscriber closer to my 500 subscriber giveaway, which will be coming very, very soon if we keep growing how we are right now. I'm rambling. I'm gonna get off here. I hope you have a good day. I said that weird. I'm gonna stop talking, and I'm gonna stop clapping my hands, and I will see you guys, I did it again. I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye.